The relationship between peonies and ants is a type of mutualism in which two organisms of different species benefit from the activity of one another. Peony flowers provide food for ants, and in turn, the ants protect the blossoms from other floral feeding insects. Nectaries are present at the base of the green sepals that surround peony flower buds. These plant organs secrete nectar, which is a food source for ants. When a scout ant finds the nectar on the peony, she emits a pheromone or odor trail on the way back to her nest. At the nest, the scout alerts other ants of the food source. The recruited ants then follow the odor trail back to nectar on the peony flowers. While the ants are feeding on the nectar, they protect their food source by swarming and chasing away other insects that come to feed on the flower buds. As each ant feeds on the peony nectar, the odor trail is reinforced until their food is gone.